Okay, we're going to be learning about like terms. And like terms are not hard. They are just problems that we haven't dealt with much. And variables are still kind of new in a common school for us. So not everybody has dealt with them in this lifetime. So this is what these videos are for. In the first column, I have a square, circle, square. This is how we're going to learn about the like terms. They're going to give you the idea that what you're looking at is just as common when you look at the variable. The variable is nothing but a question mark. It really is. It just means you don't know what that answer is going to be. So don't let the variable scare you. There's nothing to be scared of. So let's underline what are the like terms in the first column. Looking across, square, circle, square. We know that this square and this square are exactly the same. Let me change this pink color. And when we look at the variables below, it's going to apply the same way. Just remember, it has to be exactly alike. It can't have anything different. You'll see variables sometimes with an exponent. If there is not another variable with an exponent, then they are not like terms. This is an x, y, x in the second column. Underline your like terms. This x and this x are like terms. The y stands alone because there's not another y that it can partner up with. Just remember, when we start working the problems, you'll start seeing them where they have the plus or subtraction in between each term. Numbers, you'll see more numbers than you will any shapes. The shapes were just a way to help you grasp the idea. The number one in this problem is a constant. It is a number. There is no other numbers in this problem, so we're not going to worry about it. I just introduced it to you so to get used to it. Sorry about that. So let's underline the like terms in this problem. We have two x's. They're exactly the same. They don't have exponents that are different. And those are your only like terms. Now let's remember, there is a 1 in front of these variables. If you've never dealt with variables really before, it's always a 1 in front of each and every one of these. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, here's another problem. If you want to, pause the video, do it yourself, and you can check it over with me. Okay, here we have 2x plus 1 plus 3 minus y plus x. Here we're going to learn how to actually start combining the like terms and working the problem. First, we need to underline the first set of like terms, which we have a 2x and an x. But remember, it's really a 1x. These are like terms. Our second like terms are going to be these constant or numbers. And we're going to underline them twice to show that they are the like terms we're going to put together. Okay, let's combine our like terms. We add our 1x to our 2x. Comes the 3x. Then we add our 1 and 3, which is a positive 4. And then we simply just bring down our y. Looking across to double check and see if we did it right. There's no other like terms. And so this problem is finished. We have completed it. Okay, pause the video and I want you to try this problem on your own. Underline the first set or second set or third set with the first set with 1 line, second set with 2 lines, third set if there's 1, 3 lines. Okay, I'm going to go over it with you. Let's find the like terms in this problem. We have x to the second power. Remember, I was telling you about this. We have an x here, but it doesn't have a power, so it's not a like term because we have addition or subtraction in between. Here's the other x squared. Let's find our second set. Well, we have a y to the first power. Always, if you see it by itself, it's just to the first power. And another right here. We're going to draw two lines underneath to show that those two are the combined terms. So now we're going to try another problem. Okay, here is another problem. Write this problem down and pause it and try it for yourself. Okay, let's solve this problem. Remember what I said? There's always a 1 in front of, oops, let's put it over here. There's always a 1 right there in front of that variable. No matter where variable it is, there's always a 1 standing on the outside there. We just, in math, a lot of times we take it for granted. A lot of teachers that you know this. But I'm making sure you do. Okay, let's find the like terms now. You got 1x. Is there another x? And there is. There's a 3x. Here's a set of like terms. So you have a positive 1x and a positive 3x that we can combine to become 4x. Now, our next set is a constant. We have numbers. Well, we do have other constants here. And we're going to mark them by two lines to show that they are a combined like term set. So it's 6, a positive 6, plus 1, plus 2, become a positive 9. Now there's only one term left, and that is your negative y. And there's not another term to go with it, so we've completed combining this like term. So this is a complete problem. I'm going to make a second video with more problems to work one-on-one so that you can feel more confident in understanding like terms, so you can work the problems, you know, and check them with me. I hope this was a helpful video for you, and please like or subscribe, and I really do appreciate you guys watching.